What does an infant chiropractic adjustment look like? Let's walk through a baby chiropractic session together. When adjusting a baby, I use the softest touch. Think about the pressure you'd use to test a ripe tomato. There is no popping or cracking with baby adjustments. The baby is gently positioned while I apply this light pressure to specific areas, and sometimes we do light stretches like this one. The adjustments are so gentle that babies often stay calm and relaxed, and sometimes even fall asleep. I usually end the adjustments with cranial work to help baby go into a happy rest and digest state, which in turn makes mom and dad very happy, because happy baby, happy parents. Pediatric chiropractic helps to support your baby's nervous system, health, and development in the most natural way possible.